Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view star templates in Canva. Let's begin. Viewing star templates in Canva is a simple process. For example, I'm working with this specific design, alright? And I wanted this design to be part of my templates. We have a separate video on how to save your design as template, okay? So if you want to watch that, you might want to check in our channel. Basically, this design, if I click on the upper left corner and click on home, what will happen is I would be forwarded here. You see, this is the recent design that I've been working with, and I have a star on it. Okay. Now, if you wanted to add more templates that you wanted to star and add as your favorite, for example, this one, prosperous, trick or treat, you can put a star on it. You can click as many star of template as you can, all right? So I have basically some of these star templates that I have chosen in the past. And for you to be able to find them, all you're going to do is hover to the project section in the left side panel of your dashboard, all right? You see, there's going to be an option that says your starred right here. These are the star templates that you have starred already, all right? Recent designs and your starred. So I have like 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I also have created a separate folder for my starred templates. Apart from seeing the stars. Right here, I have folders for the starred. If you wanted to add more starred template here, you can do so. Or you can create a new folder. You see that? Add a new folder or add a new design, and of course you can put the new design here on the starred folder or the starred template, right? So basically that's it. Now if you wanted to share this starred template that you wanted to, for example, one of your collaborators or client, you are welcome to do so. It's really easy. All you're gonna do is add people or groups and emails here, and you would be able to share this starred template. Now, if you work with a team, starring templates can be a collaboration tool. You and your team can mark templates that are relevant to the project so that everyone is on the same page. I do this a lot because in our Deep Labs production channel, we have someone who creates the thumbnails, someone records a video. So we are a group of individuals. We are here to help you solve your problem. All right, so it makes it easier for us to share templates with team members without needing to search through the vast library each time. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.